Perhaps you are wondering what pieces are most useful in your wardrobe, or what would be best to invest in now so that you have many different styling options. Bonjour, welcome back everybody. My name is Kaylena. If you are new, former fashion stylist of the sort. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. Check out all the links to everything I will be mentioning in this video in the description box below, and let's go. So, if you were to come to me and say, I have nothing, not a single clothing piece in my wardrobe, what do I get? These are literally the 5 things I would tell you to get first. Let's go. So the first thing is a versatile little black dress, and I'm wearing mine right now. Keyword versatile little black dress. We always hear about the little black dress, and to be fair, this is actually like a dark gray. The key here though is that it needs to be versatile, and I say versatile because it will serve you so much for so long. So a lot of the pieces I'm going to mention here, easy to mix and match and transition into different seasons, and to also build upon with your new pieces that you purchase. So versatile little black dress. This is something I can wear with a blazer, with a jacket. I can wear it with tights, without tights, with heels, for a cocktail dress, evening dress kind of thing. You can actually style this in many different ways. That is the key that I really suggest when it comes to a little black dress. I'm all for the over-the-top LBDs with like big shoulders and stuff. I love trends, but we're sticking to the basics here. This is a basic that is not so basic. So get something with a little touch that is very you. So for me, I have a back cutout, and the back cutout is quite sexy. So it's really good for a night out as well. But of course, I can wear this daytime as well with a nice duster coat and my boots, or I can wear them with a chunky white sneaker. I can wear this with combat boots too. I know that's huge right now. Sneakers and a blazer, daytime appropriate. So think versatility. We want something we can really build on and play with the pieces we already have. Which leads me very nicely into my next piece, which is right here. And it is the slightly oversized black blazer. So I say slightly oversized with good reason. I don't want something fitted, and I don't want something overly oversized. Slight oversized. This is not so oversized that it looks like I took it from my tall boyfriend, but it's also not so fitted that I'm a little more limited in what I can do with it. Now keep in mind too, the examples I'm giving as pieces to not get are not me telling you not to have these pieces. I really like these pieces. If you can get those pieces, get those too. But if you're like really starting from the bare minimum at the very beginning, these are the pieces you are going to start your style with and be so happy you did and that you invested in them, because you will have them for a really long time and you'll be able to do a lot with them. So I just wanted to throw that in there. So yes, again, not too big, not too fitted, because very fitted, cropped, maybe with like really pointy shoulders, that could go out of style pretty soon. You never know. Same with the very big, baggy, oversized blazer. I'm not saying that any of these will go out of style, but I'm saying to go that medium road route where you're kind of in between and you're given a lot more styling options in the long run. So my blazer, I can wear it with this dress. I can wear it with a t-shirt and trousers, like a silk lace cami underneath. I can even put it over a few of my sweaters, nothing like too chunky, but also I can still get it over a sweater. It's just versatile. Trust me, if you had to get any, this is the more versatile one. So we have our little black dress and our blazer. I've explained to you the very particular choices of the little black dress and blazer. So we are well on our way. We have some good staple starter pieces that we started with. So our next thing is the trouser. I actually teetered back and forth between, do I pick a denim or do I pick a trouser? But this is my style starter kit, and I picked the trouser for you because that's what I would pick for me. And I'm assuming we are all here because we have similar style tastes. But if you are kind of hesitant with this one, hear me out why. It's so easy to feel like a very elevated woman in a pair of trousers, and rarely will you feel frumpy, casual, but you can still feel casual too, and you can wear them to do something like errands to the grocery store while still feeling pretty elevated in yourself, but comfortable, not underdone and not overdone. The versatility is endless. You can wear them to work with your blouse, you can mix them in with your sweaters and your bodysuits, your silk camis tucked in with a nice belt, and you can put that blazer on top. You can wear it with just the blazer all buttoned up and have a nice sleek suit pairing if they are matching in color. So I do highly suggest that you get your trousers in the same color as your blazer if you are starting out. This gives you a nice suiting option with like a nice kitten heel, pointy toe heel for work or for a night out. You can belt it at the waist, pair it with a nice evening heel, and you have like a really sleek and sexy outfit for evening. But like I said, we can make it casual too. So pairing it with a nice cashmere turtleneck that's very Parisian. Speaking of Parisian, another thing I have seen a lot living in Paris are girls with their trousers and white sneakers, like a platform white sneaker with t-shirts tucked in, like graphic tees or just a plain white tee. I've seen a lot of that. It's very Parisian. And they have their beautiful designer handbag and it works. For shoes, you could do loafers, you could do pointed pointed toe with a kitten heel, like I said, for work, like chunky boots for that cool girl vibe. If you want to tuck them into your boots, you can do that. Like if you have a really chunky kind of, I'll put a picture here, what I'm talking about, the ruching, that's the word I'm looking for. You can tuck them in. It's like a very cool girl kind of concept. If you want to switch it up, you can get so much out of this. There's a lot you can do, and trust me, my aim is for you to feel like your best, most elevated, womanly self. So trust me when I say that there's a lot of different avenues you can go down with this piece. Not to mention, if you have gotten a little black dress like me where it's really, really fitted, I can actually fold this underneath itself, the dress, and then pair my trouser on top. Nobody will know that this is not a top, it's actually a dress, but it looks like I'm wearing just like a cashmere top. I'm curious how many of you already have some of these pieces, or if you're now considering highly to get these pieces. Let me know in the comments. I'm just really curious what you guys already have. Let me know. Fourth is the heeled ankle boots. I had to really, really think of this one because I love shoes. And how does a girl choose one pair of shoes? Really, it's impossible. But I decided on the heeled ankle boot. Why? Because excluding summer, you can wear them in every single season. They just go easily with everything. It's simple. They go easily with everything. You can wear them with your shorts. You can wear them with your trousers. You can wear them with your skirts, your dress, everything. You can wear tights with them and they just work. I will have many examples linked below of the kind of ankle boots that I'm talking for modern times today, keeping it, you know, in the 2020s era. Per usual, the boots that worked in 2007 don't really work now. But I did really curate this list of shoes so that you have a pair that will last you many years and not go out of style like next season. I need to sip. It's a latte break. Okay. If you guys are thinking while watching this that you perhaps have a friend or family member that could really benefit from this, share this video with them. This is something that is often overlooked. They sound so simple, yet when you're streamlining them to fit in a certain kind of way into your style, it goes a long way. Because everyone says, buy a little black dress, buy a black blazer, but what kind of black blazer? What kind of little black dress? I really think that this video could help a lot of people, so share it with your friends, share it with your family if you think that they would enjoy it as well. Fifth is last but not least, and it's a personal favorite for me, and it is the gold chain linked crossbody bag. It's super specific, and I could be biased. I could be biased because the city girl in me always needs the crossbody bag. It is just the easiest bag to have. Growing up in Boston, going a lot to New York City, being raised by a dad from New York City who's told me, keep your stuff close to you. It's just kind of like ingrained in my brain. I just think it's such a nice little added accessory. I love the look of a crossbody bag, and I said gold chain because a gold chain goes with everything. I just feel like a gold chain is more classic, exudes a lot more luxury as compared to a silver chain. Again, we're sticking to just the bare basics here. I would say go for the gold chain one first, and then of course you can build up your repertoire of selections. That was so cheesy of me. But yeah, I have bonuses for you. If you stuck till the end, I have 2 important bonus tips for you. So tip number 1, focus on elevated basics that stand strong on their own, but also remain in your wardrobe for the long haul. So that goes for while you are still building the essential components to your style that you are in need of. Keeping it focused on an elevated basic will help you in the long run, and you will get to the day where you can finally start playing with the prints, playing with the different textures. That's where you are trying to head, myself included. You'll get there, but you'll be really happy that you have this capsule foundation set in place. Tip 2 is to go with neutrals when it comes to any of these pieces that I recommended to you. I know it can be boring and I know it can feel redundant, but again, we're thinking long term. I'm thinking of a wardrobe that you will have for many years. The trends are for the in and out flow, ebb and flow, you know, it's to have fun with. So at first, it's really best to keep it all monotone rather than a bunch of different colors, because like I already showed you, it's very easy for me to mix my very dark gray dress with my black blazer, or my black trousers with my black blazer, my black gold chain link bag that goes with every single thing. So I know it can feel really boring at first, but again, it is to start your wardrobe off with a good start. And if you're getting a bunch of colors and a bunch of prints, it makes it much more confusing, and it actually gives you less options when you already don't have enough of the basics in your style. You know what I mean? So in keeping it all neutral, you're also allowing yourself more styling options in the future. So I hope that makes sense. Now, if you want to build your wardrobe and style even further, click this video right here. I will have that linked for you, and you will be moving on to step 2 in your wardrobe evolution. Do tell me if you have any of the 5 pieces that I already mentioned and how you're using them already, how you're styling them, or if you took any new style tips from this video. So tell me that in the comments, and make sure to subscribe, sign up for the notifications so you don't miss a video, so that YouTube is always showing you my videos, and show your support by liking. It really helps the video to be seen by many other people, including the people who are already subscribed. So go ahead and show your support by giving it a like. I also have linked below my PayPal for this channel if you want to send a donation. All donations go directly back into the channel. It is not a requirement, it is not expected, but some of you have asked, so I gave you that option. And do know it goes directly back into the channel, and that is all. So guys, I hope you are off to a good start in your style, or you took something away from this. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Be soon.